Hi everyone, this is a Math OED2 video. This is 3.1 using the product quotient and power rules. So remember, the first thing I advise you to do is to think about order of operations. So if I look at order of operations, they suggest that I do parentheses first. So let's look inside these parentheses. So I have a 2. I don't see any other numbers, no other like terms that can be simplified. I have an a squared, but I don't see any other a's inside my parentheses. I have a b to the fourth, but I don't see any other b's inside there. And likewise, I don't see any other c's. So I colored these all different colors because none of them are like terms. So that means that we have to move on to our second step, which is our exponents. Okay, so one of our power rules says that we can take the top expression, which is 2a squared, and raise that to the fourth power. And we can also take our denominator and raise that to the fourth power. Another way of thinking about it is to think that every single term in here, the red, the pink, the yellow, and the green, all of these terms have to get raised to the fourth power. Okay, so you can think of it any way you want to. If this thing confuses you down here, then you don't have to think about it that way. So let's work through and raise every single thing to the fourth power. So we're going to have 2 to the fourth power. We're going to have a squared to the fourth power. Okay, down here, we're going to have b to the fourth, then also raised to the fourth power. And then we're going to have c to the eighth, also raised to the fourth power. So again, every single thing in the numerator and the denominator, everything is getting raised to the fourth power. So let's see if we can simplify this. 2 to the fourth power is 16. A squared to the fourth power. Well, let's remind ourselves, what rule are we going to use in these three cases? That rule is the power rule. If I raise a power to a power, the power rule tells me to multiply those two numbers. So 2 times 4 is 8. 4 times 4 is 16. And 8 times 4 is 32. If you're not comfortable with the power rule, you can go back and watch my intro video that explains the power rule. So again, let's look through our terms. We have a 16, but no other just numbers. We have a to the 8th, but no other a's. We have a b to the 16th, but no other b's. We have c to the 32nd power and no other c's. So there does not appear to be anything else we can do with this expression. So we are done. And that's it.